Look at this. Seems like deja vu. We were just here not that long ago. And it did it again. Look at all that snow in the doorway. There was no snow on the ground earlier today. And now look. Because it melted in between. We had 8 inches of snow not too long ago. Then it all melted. And now we have more. See, it's all on this door. And the wind's gonna shut the door now, apparently. But that's just crazy. Again. Look at the tops of these garbage containers. Yep. Snow. Lots and lots of snow again. And the snow shovels are covered with snow too. Look at the cute tufts of snow in this bush. Yeah. Pretty neat. Pretty cool, you say? Or maybe that's what I say. But look at all this. All this snow. Ooh. Oh, I love snow. It's so pretty. So pretty. Some people don't enjoy it. They want to stay indoors and not enjoy it. But I enjoy snow. Nothing wrong with snow. It's beautiful. It's refreshing. It's moisture. We need it. They have not plowed. That's the name. I was like, what do we call this? They have not plowed this street yet. So it's just people like me driving through to get to work and home. When I left this morning for work, there was no snow on the ground. And then when I came out from work, there was snow on my car, but not so bad as last time. Last time when it did 8 inches, it did that before I had to go to work, and I literally had to use a shovel to get the snow off my car. This time I just wiped off some of the snow. Most of it didn't stick to my car, so that was kind of nice. Anyway, we shall see what happens. Beautiful snow. Tell me in the comments, do you love snow? Nothing wrong with snow, right? I love snow. If it gets warm enough, I'll make a snowman. Beautiful. Very beautiful.